Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of fractions. This is 10th question of its exercise 7.1. So, the question says that what fraction of these circles having crosses in them? So, हमारे पास फर्स्ट हम देखेंगे total number of circles is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, हमें total 8 circles given है and number of circles having x. So जाएगा पास 1, 2, 3, 4. So हमें find out करना है what fraction of these circles having x's in them. So required fraction is equal to total number of circles and number of circles having x. जाएगा 4. So इसे हम simplify कर लेंगे. ये 4 से cancel out हो जाएगा 1 time and 2 time. So the fraction will be 1/2. Thank you.